Unboxing time. Let's see what's inside this box. I'm genuinely excited to try this out today. Here's the AppSumo SEO optimized website builder. Look at the packaging, sleek, modern, and inviting. The logo instantly grabs my attention. Nice branding. Let's open it up and check the dashboard. Wow, clean interface, easy on the eyes. First impression, it's super intuitive for beginners. I'm dragging and dropping elements effortlessly. Let's build a homepage in real time together. Adding a header, just one click, no coding needed. Images upload instantly, no lag at all. Let's try creating a blog post next. Typing feels smooth and formatting is simple. Preview mode shows exactly how it'll look live. Now let's dive into the SEO tools. Meta tags and keywords are easy to add. SEO suggestions pop up automatically, super helpful. I can track site visibility right from the dashboard. Let's set up a newsletter sign-up form. Drag, drop, done. Form is ready in seconds. I'm customizing colors and fonts effortlessly. Switching between blog, newsletter, and website is seamless. It's perfect for entrepreneurs needing quick launches. Small businesses can boost visibility with built-in SEO. Content creators will love the blogging features. No technical skills required, just creativity and ideas. The speed of setup is honestly impressive. I published my test site in under 10 minutes. SEO score improved instantly after using their tools. Analytics are built in for tracking site growth. Mobile optimization is automatic, no extra steps needed. Security features are included, which is reassuring. Support resources are available right from the dashboard. I appreciate the straightforward pricing, no hidden fees. If you want to launch fast, this delivers. For boosting online visibility, it's a solid choice. I recommend it for startups and solo creators. If you hate complicated setups, you'll love this. Ready to try it? Check out AppSumo now. Link in the description. Go build your SEO website. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. See you soon.